Hello, I'm Ben Law, and I'm introducing my new book, Woodlander. After 30 years of living in and managing a woodland in West Sussex, I am sharing with you the skills and tools that can help you to sustainably manage a small woodland for timber, biodiversity and recreation. As we consider planting new woodlands under the ever-growing threat of climate change, I suggest species choices for the future to allow us to plant and manage woodlands that can be resilient and diverse to cope with our increasingly warming planet. In Woodlander, I consider the options for social forestry, balancing the increasing need of people to access woodlands for well-being and recreation, while still ensuring biodiversity and a sanctity for wildlife that needs spaces where human intervention is kept to a minimum. Woodlander is my testimony to silvicultural management, drawing on my many years of practical experience in wildlife observation, and offers you a gateway into the woodland realm.